Hello folks, this is Liu channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish of food and its Chinese name called 蛋炒饭. English name called the fried eggs with rice. The main ingredient we need leftover rice. It's from last night, the rice. And we need 5 eggs, whole eggs, and scallion, full scallion. And you can decide how much rice or the eggs or the scallion you use. It's all DIY. So that's the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the scallion granny. This scallion granny already washed, peeled the dead leaves, and right now we cut the root off. We just cut it. We just cut it. Try to cut it thin. But I said this. Don't try to cut it thin, but not too long. This is the scallion granny we get. Turn the stove, medium fire, and put the pot on. When the pot is hot, we add the vegetable oil. You can add the olive oil, any oil is okay. The vegetable oil. We add probably a quarter cup of oil. It depends how much rice you fry. So depending on how much rice you fry, and you can decide. If you have more stuff fry, you add a little more oil, but don't add too much, or it'll be so oily. When the oil is hot, we crack the egg into the pot. This is the plain salt. We add a pinch salt on the top of the egg. Don't add too much, just a pinch. Don't add too much, because we will add the more salt drop later. We add a pinch of black pepper. This black pepper, a pinch. We just wait. And now we just stir it, fry the egg. Stir it and wait, and then stir again. Be careful, don't let the egg stick to pot, so you can just scratch the bottom. So don't let the egg stick to pot. Just keep frying. Now you can see the egg, there's no runny egg in the pot. We added the green onion, cut the green onion into it. And keep it frying until the green onion releases good smell. Now you can see the scallion, and release the scallion. The fried is nearly fully cooked, and release good smell. Then we added the rice. We added leftover rice into it. Okay, then we fry. We try to use this turner and you can do it like this. If you don't want your hands already washed, you can use a hand. Try to smash the rice, let the rice not in the blocks. Just separate it. So this way it's easy for us to stir fry. So it's up to you. You can use this to smash it, or use the hand to do it. It's all up to you. Okay, we stir fry it. Remember, don't use high fire because oil will burn the rice. Before the rice is fry well and already burned. So we don't want the rice to burn. So just slowly fry. This is the plain salt. We add a little more salt. We probably try add 1 teaspoon of salt or 1 teaspoon to 1/2 tablespoon salt. Don't add too much. You can slowly adjust it and don't add too much one hand. This is black pepper. We add a little more black pepper. This is the soy sauce, not dark soy, the soy sauce. You can add 1 teaspoon to you can add 1 teaspoon to 1/2 tablespoon, but don't add too much. But don't add dark soy, just soy sauce. Give a little flavor. Gotta slowly fry. If you still have some just smash it. We don't want it. We just want the rice to be separated. We don't have big chunks. Slowly fry. Don't let the rice stick to the bottom, and don't add too much oil. Otherwise, I don't want too oily. Okay, we can try the rice. It's so good. The flavor is good. And taste the salt and very fresh. So the fried egg with rice, this dish is done. We turn off the stove. We just add it to the plate to get enough for one people serve. So the fried egg with rice, this food is done. Chinese name called 蛋炒饭. And I hope you like it, and please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and see you next time.